1 Best practices for healthy teeth: don't go to bed without brushing your teeth. Brush properly. Use gentle, circular motions to remove plaque while brushing. Brush your tongue to prevent bad mouth odor and oral health problems. Choose toothpaste with fluoride for defense against tooth decay. Use a fluoride toothpaste. Treat flossing as important as brushing. Floss daily to stimulate gums, reduce plaque, and lower inflammation. Consider using dental flossers for easier flossing. Using dental flossers for easier flossing. Consider mouthwash. Seem necessary for good oral health. Mouthwash helps in 3 ways. It reduces the amount of acid in the mouth, cleans hard to brush areas, and remineralizes the teeth. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Eating fresh, crunchy product. It contains more healthy fiber. It's also best choice for your teeth. Limit sugary and acidic foods. Sugar converts into acid in the mouth. These acids are what lead to cavities. Drink more water. Water continues to be the best beverage for your overall health, including oral health. Don't neglect your tongue. Plaque can also build up on your tongue. Not only can this lead to bad mouth odor, but it can lead to other oral health problems. See your dentist at least twice a year. You should see your dentist for cleanings and checkups twice a year. To dentist, remove calculus and look for cavities.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe.